Live, the one and only Local 10 News starts right now.
And in today's To Save One Life report, when many people hear the word addiction, they think of alcohol or drugs.
But an increasing number of studies actually suggest that food can also have some really highly addictive qualities that are just as difficult to overcome. The need for food is a basic requirement for human survival, but it can also be abused.
I just took for granted that, the health portion of my life was more about having a stack of Oreo cookies with a glass of milk at 10 o'clock at night while I'm watching TV in bed.
For years, Dawn Prince struggled with an unhealthy relationship with food.
I justify the cookies saying, well, I do like Oreos, or I'll eat oatmeal cookies with raisins in it because, damn, that's got to be healthier than the Oreos or the chocolate chips.
Dr. Cali Estes says there is research that suggests foods high in sugar, salt, and/or fat can trigger the pleasure sensors in our brain, creating feelings of pleasure and satisfaction.
And 10 o'clock at night when you're bored and you have your hand in the bag of Oreos, that's when food addiction occurs.
Similar to drugs and alcohol, the doctor says food can be used to suppress emotions.
So it's a numbing out effect.
And when that high is gone, people actually go through stages of withdrawal, starting with irritability and fatigue, then eventually leading to insomnia, headaches, and restless legs.
All the same symptoms of heroin on a lesser level.
Through therapy and direct coaching, the doctor helps clients change their mindset about food and learn to replace addictive foods with healthier alternatives.
It's going to be little changes as you go, and as you feel better, you'll want more changes.
Getting over his food addiction led Don to not only eat better, but also become more physically active.
And I never considered what I did as a diet. I considered it as just a lifestyle change.
And along with psychological factors, there can be biological factors that lead to food addiction as well, including hormonal imbalances, brain chemistry abnormalities, as well as medication side effects.
Ice cream. That's why I don't buy it anymore.
Yeah, can't have it in the house.